Chemistry in ancient India. The science of our ancestors. Welcome. You are in the right place to uncover the secret science of ancient India. From the Harappan civilization to the legendary works of Nagarjuna, we are breaking down the history of chemistry, Rasayan Shastra into easy exam ready notes. Let's dive in. Key topic: Development of chemistry in ancient India. Key concept: Ancient names. Chemistry was known as Rasayan Shastra, Rastantra, Ras, Kriya or Ras Vidya. Harappan mastery used baked bricks for construction and mass-produced pottery by mixing materials and firing them. Metallurgy. Ancient Indians were experts in melting and forging metals like gold, silver, copper, lead, and tin. Healthcare. Ancient texts like Shastra Samhita and Charaka Samhita explain the use of alkalis, acids, sulfic and nitric, and metal oxides for medicine. Chemical mystery. The golden gloves of North Indian back polished ware remains a chemical mystery that modern science is still studying. Soap invention. Indians were making soap in the 18th century using mustard oil, mahua seeds, and calcium carbonate. Clear definitions. Metallurgy, the science of extracting metals from their ores and making useful objects from them. Alkalis, substances that feel soapy and react with acids, mentioned as very important in Shushruta Samhita. Faience, a type of ancient glass used in ornaments, often colored with metal oxides. Important formula breakdown. In the text, gypsum, cement, and lime are mentioned as construction materials. The core formula: calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Core meaning: this is the chemical name for limestone or chalk. Break it down. Ca is equal to calcium, a strong metal. C is equal to carbon. 0.3 is equal to 3 atoms of oxygen. Real life example: the same stuff found in ancient Harappan cement is what makes up the eggshells in its chain today. Quick revision. Nagarjuna, the great Indian scientist who wrote Ratnakar about mercury compound. Chakrapani discovered mercury sulfide and it's credited with inventing soap. Varamhir wrote the Brihad Samhita, an encyclopedia explaining how to make glue, cements for temples. Color chemistry. Ancient Indians used metal oxides to color glass and identified metals by flame color. Ten multiple choice questions MCQs. What was chemistry called in ancient India? Answer: Rasayan Shastra or Rasvidya. Which ancient site proves the use of baked brick, and mass-produced pottery? Answer: Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. Who is the author of Ratnakar? Answer: Nagarjuna. Which text explains the importance of alkalis? Answer: Sushruta Samhita. What was used to color ancient glass and glazes? Answer: metal oxides. 6. Rasopanishada contains descriptions for making what? Answer: gunpowder mixture. Which scientist discovered mercury sulfide? Answer: Chakrapani. What was the golden glassware? Answer: northern black polished ware. Which book is known as the 6th century encyclopedia? Answer: Brihad Samhita by Varamihit. 10. Which oil was used in early Indian soap making? Answer: mustard oil and oil of Idanda. 5 short questions and answers. How did the ancient Indians identify different metals? Answer: they used the flame color method. Different metals burned with different colors. What materials were used to make ancient Indian soap? Answer: mustard oil, alkali, seeds of mahua, and calcium carbonate. What is the significance of the Ajanta and Ellora paintings? Answer: they use colors and glues made from plant extracts that look fresh even after centuries. Name the metals worked on by the Harappan. Answer: gold, silver, copper, tin, lead, and arsenic. What did Kautilya's Arthashastra describe? Answer: it describes the production of salt from the sea. Important exam points: UPSC, SSCT. Note the names of the book: Ratnakar, Brihad Samhita, Arthashastra, and the authors. Matching questions and formulas. Chemistry tip: ancient Indians knew about sulfuric acid and nitric acid way before modern labs were common.